Hello everybody, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long since I uploaded a video. I just want to let you know that this is going to be kind of like a small little mini series with a collaboration between myself and Texas Craft Lover over on YouTube. We're working to show people how to create their own little digital paper pack with papers and then some little simple ephemera pieces that you can make. So I'm going to show how to do it in Microsoft Word, and then Texas Craft Lover is going to show how to do it in 3D or Paint 3D, sorry. So there's going to be two different ways that you can do this, and then at the end of the little series you should have a small little free for you to use digital kit. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the first video is going to be just the basic background page. Open our Microsoft Word. Alright, so we are going to do our normal. We're going to go to layout and we're going to go to margins. And I'm going to do orientation of landscape. And then we're going to insert our background pictures. So let's see here. We're kind of doing like a fun, bright, something a little different. We're going to go with these beautiful cacti images. And these are from the design bundles. It is a free download. So that way everybody can have access to it. Oh, so what background do I want to try today? And like I said, these are really bright and colorful. I'm kind of feeling the green. So as you can see, it's really small. Let's do our normal, be able to move it. Alright, so we're going to try, instead of stretching it today, we're going to right click and we are going to do size and position. We're going to change the lock aspect ratio, and we're going to do this 8 by 11, and we'll see if this helps us get a better image that's not so stretched out. So we put 8 inches here, 11 for the width, and then we're going to tell it OK. And so I forgot, the page is not 11 inches, it's 11 by 11 and a half. So let's try that again. So we'll just go in here and throw a 0.5 in there. Oh my goodness. Undo. Sorry guys, you're going to see all my mistakes this morning. I've been trying to film, but having all the kiddos in the house makes it a little hard to do. There we go. So 8 and 11, or 8.5 for our height, and then our width is 11. So now we have this image that's not so distorted from stretching it out. So this is, like I said, a very fun, bright, colorful background. So let's see what some transparency does. With muting those colors just a little bit. I don't know if I like them muted today. I think I'm feeling the bright and colorful. Yeah, I think I like this bright and colorful. Now, if you do want to add, just like any other time, we can also play around with some of the artistic effects. So let's see what we got here. So if you want to make it look more textured, and which is actually really cool looking, let's see what this one does. So this makes it look like a line drawing, which is kind of nifty. We can even play with it, making it dark. I actually really like that. That's something really different. This is more like the title of it is photocopy, but I think it looks more like a cartoon drawing. But these are all under the artistic effects, and you can do that. That kind of messes with my eyeballs. And you can do this with any image that you put on here. It will change the textures of the image. That is kind of neat. It can change the color a little bit so it's not so vibrant. I'm kind of feeling this little texturized one. Let's apply that. I kind of like that. So, and like I said, this is a free kit on the design bundles that I've shared in the past. You can also play with color tones if you want to change the colors. I've been doing a lot in the with some black and whites here recently. I've been feeling the black and white, so you can even make it gray toned. I think it kind of distorts the image a little bit too much, so I think I'm going to leave it like that because I like that. So like I said, this is just a short, simple video. So we're going to save this image. Let me see. Save it in my uploads. I'm going to save it as a PDF, so that way everybody can have access to it. And we're going to just name it background page. So there it is, saved as a PDF. Alright, so let's go and do one more background page because we want you guys to have several. Sorry, layout, margin, orientation, insert. Sorry, I'm moving a little fast, guys, but I figured like some of that setup you guys might have seen already in in my previous videos. Alrighty, let's see here. Let's do, so we had one that had a green background. So let's go with, I kind of like the one that don't have any color in the background. Let's try that one. We're going to resize it. So we're going to unclick the lock aspect ratio. We're going to make this 8.5 inches this time. And we're going to make this 11 inches. Not 1, 11. Ooh, I really like the colors of this one. I like that rose and the blue with the green. That's really pretty. So now we got our full-size image. And then if you want to play with the transparency, you can do that. Between these two. I know there's not much of a difference, but it does. Sorry, my dogs are getting ready to bark. What does this little cross stitch looking one do? I really like that. Hey guys. Hey. I'm sorry about that. One little tiny sound and then they both start barking, so that one makes it kind of look like it's crackled. Hey. I think I'm going to leave this one alone because I really like that. Yeah, I kind of like just the simple colors and the plain background since we had such a busy one on the last one. Alright, save as. I'm so sorry if you can hear my dogs. The joys of having animals and kiddos trying to find quiet time to be able to record videos. Oh, but I wouldn't change it any other way. Sometimes having that chaos is kind of nice. So those are our two background pages. So like I said, I'm doing the collab video with Texas Craft Lover over on YouTube, so go check out her page. I'll put everything down in the description, and also the link for the design bundle that is a free download. We're going to play with some different elements of the cacti bundle to make some tags and pockets, and I did find a way to make an envelope. It can be a little, it's a little longer to do, but it does work. And then we're going to make some other ephemera pieces out of the cacti bundle. And then we also found a llama bundle, which is really fun and colorful. And it is also a free download that we are going to throw in some elements with the cacti. So, like I said, go over and check out her channel and see what she's making over there, and watch out for more videos so that way you can learn how to make a whole bundle set of your own, or be able to print off art.